Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are kicking off New Year's Eve and making champagne donuts. They're going to be a light, fluffy, vanilla packed flavor cakey donut with bubbly champagne right in the donut batter and right in the champagne glaze. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description, and stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. Now go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees and let's get started on some bubbly, yummy, delicious vanilla donuts. So for our first step, we're going to take our large mixing bowl, and to that we're going to add in our butter, our brown sugar, and our oil. And then we're going to mix on a high speed until everything's fully beaten together and combined and incorporated. Now that we have that underway, let's go ahead and start adding in our eggs one at a time and making sure to beat in well on a medium speed until all the eggs are fully incorporated into the batter. With all of our wet ingredients fully blended in together, let's go ahead and start adding in our dry ingredients. So first up, we're going to add in our flour, then our baking powder, and our salt. And we want to keep blending on that nice low speed for a good minute. Now it's time for the champagne, so let's go ahead and get this opened up. Where's the little tabby thing? Yeah. Now that we have our champagne open, let's go ahead and add this into our donut batter, followed with some milk. And we want to keep mixing on a nice medium-low speed until our donut batter is fully smooth. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy steps, and a little pop crazy of the champagne cork, we have our champagne donut batter. Now let's go ahead and fill in our donut pans. And we want to fill each donut well with some donut batter until, each one's about halfway full. Then with your donut pans all filled up with this delicious champagne donut batter, go ahead, pop them in the oven and let bake for a good 20 to 22 minutes or until your cake tester comes out clean. So our donuts have baked, they've cooled. I let them cool and hang out in the donut pan for a good 5 minutes before letting them finish cooling off on a donut rack. So let's go ahead and start on some delicious, bubbly, sparkling champagne glaze. So in our mixing bowl, we're going to add in our sifted powdered sugar and our champagne. And then we're going to mix this on a high speed until we have almost a thick honey-like consistency. And depending on your preferred donut glaze consistency, you may or may not need to add more powdered sugar or a little less if you want it kind of runny and just falling off the donut, a little thick if you want it to stay in place and have a nice thick glaze. So with our quick champagne glaze out of the way and our donuts are fully cooled, let's go ahead and start decorating. So let's glaze each of our champagne donuts. And then sprinkle on some festive sprinkles. And then after your sprinkles are all sprinkled on, you will have the perfect donut to ring in the new year with champagne, gold, festive sprinkles, delicious champagne glaze. Perfect for a quick snack when you're drinking that champagne and counting down the clock. Well, thank you guys for stopping by. I had so much fun making these champagne donuts. If you like champagne donuts, you want more, maybe more boozy recipes, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up recipes you'll like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. And while you're down there giving this video a thumbs up, be sure to click the subscribe button and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, so you don't miss out on any tasty treats I have coming up in the kitchen here in 2020. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away. So, if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you're making your own New Year's Eve champagne donuts or your own champagne inspired dessert, definitely give a tag on Instagram. You know, let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna find that cork. I don't know where it went to, but I hope you've all had a great 2019. I hope you're all having a great, fun New Year's Eve, getting ready for the new year, you know, where the kids say, new year, new me, I don't know. But I will see you all, as always, in the next video very, very soon. Bye!